going on, everyone? Welcome back to Fused and Carbon. Today I want a real quick video. I got this Laminar, I don't know if I'm saying it right, Crossfire Pro, and I have the HTC height adjustment. Is that what it's called? THC height adjustment thing right here. And so I had posted on one of the forums trying to find out why there was so much slack. Not this slack. I know what that's for. That's the button. Click, 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 right? So what I was referring to was the slack in the bearings. Like, it would jiggle back and forth. Right now it doesn't jiggle. The way to adjust this, you come over to your side of the shop where you got your tools, and you get a 5.5 or 5. I think it might be a 5 millimeter. I don't have a 5. And then you get a 9. No, you get a 10. It was an 11. Get both these. I think it was an 11. So get your 10. No, get your 11. And right back here, these nuts, top and bottom, right? If you look on this side, there's a big opening, and on this side they're screwed in. So I've assembled quite a few 3D printers, and this right here is to tighten these to this rod so you can remove the slack. I'll show you the slack I was talking about and fix it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just loosen this one. I'm going to loosen this one. Okay, now that's done, I can loosen this and loosen this. This is the slack I was talking about. My torch was wobbling while I was cutting. So all you gotta do is tighten these up. See, still got a little slack. Goes up and down just fine. Okay, look, no slack now. Top or bottom, none. Absolutely zero. Still goes up and down just fine. So what you're gonna want to do now is you want to hold this back one in place while you take your 11 and tighten that bolt right there. I'm gonna do this on both of them, and that's how you get the slack out of it. Voila!